It is very cold and it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Just arrived back in London. I'm in King's Cross, so you can have a look down there. This is the Hotel Renaissance, and then just back there behind me, that is King's Cross Station. Just arrived, got off of my Eurostar, and I'm gonna go do a quick session around here. Blue sky, so might get some nice shadows. And today I'm gonna be shooting on my phone, so might be interesting. This is the OnePlus 5T, so we'll see what I can get with that. Right, let's do this. this is it for today. This was literally my first time trying out the camera feature of this phone. I got it about a week ago, so it's pretty new for me. But hopefully got a few good shots to share with you. And if it is a good camera, I'll definitely use it because it's pretty easy to go incognito without people knowing that you're taking a picture of them. So if it does take good pictures, I will use it. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And today, it's been done. See you guys next week.